University of Phoenix closing 115 campuses nationwide after stocks tanked for its parent company, the Apollo Group. Shares for the company hit a 5-year low yesterday. No word yet if the University of Phoenix near the Capital Square Mall area will be affected. Just this year alone, the stock price has tumbled nearly 60%, making it the worst performing stock on the S&P 500.
President Obama and Mitt Romney took a break from campaigning to attend the annual Alfred E. Smith Memorial Dinner. They showed off their comedic skills at the Black Tie fundraiser, a traditional stop for presidential candidates, and Dang has some of their best one-liners. Well, the fun only lasted one evening for the candidates. They're back on the campaign trail today and preparing for the final debate, which will take place on Monday.
I think their campaign managers